Hi, let me show you how simple and quick it is to get started with CluedIn through the Azure Marketplace. Once you navigate through the Marketplace, you can search for CluedIn on the top left bar or at the top bar. That will bring you to this screen where you can press the button Create, and then on the Basics tab, you're going to start filling in your subscription, your resource group, your region, and the CluedIn license version or a CluedIn license key that have been provided to you. When you reach the CluedIn initial setup, that's when you're going to specify your organization name and a few other details that are required for the initial installation. The AKS setup screen can be used to customize how many nodes you want to use on your CluedIn instance, as well as how much you want to allow CluedIn to auto-scale in the event of high pressure and high load. CluedIn also allows you to customize which instance of SQL Server, Redis, Elasticsearch, among others, you want to use in your CluedIn installation. And you have the advanced configuration, which is dedicated to users that have been instructed by our implementation engineers. So don't worry about that step. And finally, you can review and accept the terms and conditions before you press the Create button, which triggers the deployment process in your own cloud environment. Around 20 minutes later, there you go. You have CluedIn running in your own cloud with a specified URL at the very top that gets generated automatically, and the username and passwords are what you define during the installation process. Your CluedIn installation comes with a few accelerators such as vocabulary keys, entity types, enrichers, and export targets. Besides all that, you can customize the theme of your CluedIn instance. And since we came from Azure, why not use the Azure theme? I hope you enjoyed this demonstration and thank you for your time.